I don't think this vlog is out of order, but it's very different looking outside than it was yesterday, you know?
I guess the roads are covered.
That cloud is like super big. One big head. Hey!
What cloud?
The cloud that just covers the entire sky.
Ouch! Ouch! Joey.
That one really hot, Joey. She like jumped like...
What are you thinking?
all forward, all the way up.
Okay, this guy is the sweetest. I have to go to work today, and he's out there shoveling for me. Let's do a little lifty lift. Look at him. He's so cute. He's scraping the car, shoveling a path. He's so sweet. I love you. You're so good to me.
It's not quite lunchtime yet. Well, actually it is lunchtime. It's 11:36, not quite afternoon. That's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say good morning, and then I was like, well, no, I'm gonna say good afternoon, but then it's not afternoon, it's still morning. I'm gonna switch. Just got home.
Ella, I love you.
I don't have club today because the person that does it with me is sick, so I guess I'm just done with work early today.
Nice.
I mean, I got a little bit left to do, but I'm not working until 6 tonight. That's nice. What are we doing today now that we don't have stuff? We gotta come up with something to do, babe. We can go cross country skiing, or
It's so cold you don't want to cross country.
we could go cross country skiing in the living room. Are you ready for this super sweet life hack? If you don't have a, what are those things called?
Paint liner?
Paint liner, paint container. Check out what you can do.
Or they accidentally, like step on it or whatever. She comes up and she's like, ah. All over what I just painted. And then walks away. It's like, what the heck, Julie? Here to die on purpose.
Ta-da! Paint liner. That's what we got. What are you laughing at?
Oh, sheesh, nooish. Oh, trash bag face. Let's see if this roller is still wet. Yep, still wet.
You got a little tripod-y action going on with the 360 camera, babe.
So cute. It looks like a little thing.
It looks like a little thing.
Looks like a little thing.
Thanks, Samsung.
What do you think about taking this off? There's like nothing wrong with it.
No, it's just cool. Just needs painted.
And filled.
Projects.
This person was just super lazy.
We'll finish that next time that it's super daylight out, so we can see all the little details down in the corner of the corner of the stairs, Kayla. But for now, looks pretty good.
Thanks.
What? Why are we climbing my pants?
We're both getting all nappy right now.
That's good. It'll make them easier to natural sedation.
So cozy and warm. That's probably an annoyed part. I hate your friends. But look, now your nails are all beautiful.
Just left. I forgot to vlog again. We just beat her childhood game of Return to Mysterious Island, which is exciting. It only took us 2 years. We're gonna have to try out Mysterious Island 2. She didn't like the other adventure game we had quite as much, so we'll see. Maybe we'll do a Nancy Drew game as well, because I've seen those and I've seen that they're good, so she might like that. I don't know, we'll see. Gonna go bathroom right now though. Gotta go bathroom.